Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Olay Gentle Clean Foaming Face Cleanser. Yeah, now Olay is pretty much a pretty well-known brand of, you know, of skincare products and cosmetics and things like that. This is a skin cleanser that I use pretty much every other day in the shower. It's really good and it's really soft to the touch. It's you gotta remember, it's not soap, okay? It's 100% soap free and it's 100% oil free, okay? That's important to remember. It's this foam cleanser that you put on your face, and well, see how you do it is, okay, preferably in the shower. I do it in the shower. So you would put a little on, like you pop it open like this, and see it has this kind of a swirly look to it too, you see? It's almost like a pearl. Isn't that wild? Yeah. Okay. And you just get a little, right? And you would take this and see how swirly it is? Yeah. You would take this and lather it with the water. Get in your hands and get the water going, and you would lather it up with the water, you know, and get like a real lather going. It lathers up really good, like real foamy, you know. You get it on put it on your face and you scrub. And I mean, it'll have your face feeling really nice. I mean, you don't do it abrasively, you know, and you just do it with your hands. You don't need to do it with like any kind of a wash rag or anything. You just put it on your hands a good amount. And more than I put there, you know, you put a good amount on your hands, lather it up really good, and then put it on your face, you know. Well, first you wet your face, and then you put it on your face, and then rub it in, start getting into all those little crevices and corners of your skin, and just rub it in, and it feels so good on your flesh. It really does. It really makes your skin feel really soft as you're scrubbing it, you know. And it's a really nice, enjoyable massage you give your skin as you're doing this. You know, you really don't want to take it off, right? And so after you've gotten into all those crevices and cracks and you think that, you know, you've cleansed everything, you just put your face over warm water, whether you're in the sink or in the shower, and just rinse it all off and watch. As soon as it comes off, this like coolness on your face starts to happen. It's really nice. This cool, fresh feeling comes over your skin. It's really, really soothing. I like it a lot. I really like it, and it makes you feel really good about your skin. And then you touch your skin, and it feels not oily, not greasy or anything like that. It just feels really soft, and you can tell it's been clean. It's been cleaned. Yeah, I mean, you can feel it. It's very different. Like when you wash your face with soap, there's a little, like after you wash it, you like run your skin, run like your finger down your skin, and you'll feel kind of like I don't know, it feels a little plasticky or something. I don't know. It's very different. This, your hand just slides right down your face because it's soft. It's nice. It feels really good. And it's absolutely fragrance free too. So you don't smell anything. And I mean, you would think it would be some kind of a smell, But no, it's not meant for that. It is just meant to do its job, and that's get in there and clean clean those crevices that you got. Yeah. Now, I think the only downside I see, which is not really a downside, depends on who you are, it's not cheap. Okay, this is it's not something that, I mean, it's not super expensive either, but it's you know, it costs a little bit up there. Not too bad, but you know, it's, I mean, there's a lot of cheaper things that you could buy, you know, but you get what you pay for. This is worth it, I'm telling you. I've been using it for a long time too. This is probably my 7th bottle of this, and I once I started, I didn't want to change. It really made a difference. Yeah, I like it a lot. Yeah, so that is the Olay Gentle Clean Foaming Face Cleanser. Yeah. All right. I hope you guys use this information, and I will talk to you next time. Okay, bye-bye.